On an average, people get a bout of common cold twice a year. Children are more prone to colds than adults. Most colds are treated at home. Can oregano oil treat colds? The answer is yes, in most cases. But, before you begin to use it, you need to understand why it works and how to use it for best results. So watch the video till the end. Let's begin with common cold, which is a viral infection. You can easily catch these viruses from the droplets in the atmospheric air left by the already infected people sneezing and coughing or even talking. They enter through your mouth, nose and eyes. Viral infections generally take 7 to 10 days to disappear on their own. So, you need to manage the infection and ensure that it doesn't develop any other complications. Sometimes antibiotics may be required. But, you can get symptomatic relief from certain medicines and natural remedies. Oregano oil can easily top the list of natural remedies for colds. Researchers have found a compound called carvacrol in oregano oil that is as powerful as an antibiotic medicine. A 2014 study, published in the Journal of Applied Microbiology, found medicinal-grade oregano oil effectively gets rid of murine norovirus in humans. So, before you consume oregano oil, understand that oregano oil is a highly concentrated essential oil. You have to carefully consume it to get the desired results. You can't ingest it directly or with water without hurting yourself. It can burn skin and irritate mucous membranes of the throat, esophagus, and stomach. Here is the appropriate way to use oregano oil for cold. Add 2 drops of oregano oil in a teaspoon of a carrier oil such as coconut oil or olive oil. Mix them well and consume it. Take it 2 to 3 times daily for 3 to 5 days. It will help in reducing pain and itching in the throat and fend off the virus. You should be aware that excess regular consumption of any essential oil can damage your liver. So limit its oral consumption for medicinal purposes only whenever required. You should begin to get immediate relief and within a week to 10 days completely recover from cold. If that doesn't happen, then consult a doctor to examine your case and suitably treat you. If you enjoyed the video, then give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. Subscribe to the channel to watch more videos.